I know.
Pick up those cars. And boof! And they're coupled.
Might not be able to clear here either.
What?
Okay, pull forward and try this one.
Yeah, go from
Or what you could also do is uncouple.
uncouple half the cars. I get it uncoupled.
Yeah.
Yeah, just don't hit the buffers at the end of the siding. Yeah, before we go wacko at the end of the buffers.
Command station okay? Because we're trying to get to the front of the water. Command station okay?
Which one?
Buffer.
Two views.
Awesome. I'm running okay.
Try 7. Try it again. Yes.
What happened?
What was that?
I don't know.
Where is my daddy?
Yeah, you don't.
I just caught a train who got rear-ended.
Oh no.
Yeah, I caught that. That reminds me of the atomic train
Okay.
and the Maple Rock Garden Railroad. Yeah, where the freight 4920 ran at. Yeah, with Papa and Grandma.
Yep.
Yeah, that poor caboose. And my grandma said, and the steam train, the Santa Fe rear-ended it. Yeah, the poor conductor in the caboose. And the poor driver of the train the guy that controlled the train rear-ended it with blood on his forehead. Oh no. Yeah, just like no one was there. They got hit. They got another train.
Yeah, I realized it when we got down there. Somebody probably thought, oh, somebody got lucky.
He uncoupled the cars.
Are you done with this controller? What's that? Are you done with this controller?
This is really cool.
So the switch is fixed now, huh?
Yeah.
What cars are you gonna get now?
Nothing like it.
Switch went wrong.
We switch over here.
8-7.
So these two
Uh-oh.
are together, but this one would switch, but that one wouldn't.
I had an issue there myself. And it doesn't stick so.
It's probably that same sort of issue that we've been having when the little things in the tongue on another one of them.
The road there, nice, love it. Tight, beautiful.
I'm just so happy.
Here's this bad one, what coming through. We go around and down. It doesn't matter what round. Over with the 50 low, and we went there a couple
Yeah,
times.
he just crashed his trains. What happened right there? What happened?
It derailed
Oh no!
on the switch.
I've seen trains do that. When the switches are not set right. There's some.
Derailing this time.
There's some tankers right here.
I'm picking them up.
Yeah, I've seen